Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. So whether you're getting a Tundra, whether you're getting a Tacoma, whether it's a new one, whether it's a pre-owned one, and realistically a lot of other brands have a similar system here. So this is a Tundra here. This one's a brand new one. So you can kind of get an idea if you take a look here. You can see these tracks. All right, these tracks are actually meant for cleats that will go into those tracks. They come with the vehicle usually. Now, used ones, maybe you don't have them, maybe the person took them off, but how do you put them on? And where should they be if you just got your car? So a lot of times dealerships will pre-install them. We do normally, but sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. You'll normally find them, and I'm going to kind of walk this way and show you. You can normally find them either in the back seat, right? You might find them down here and in this little cubby down here. If it's a hybrid, you wouldn't find them there because you won't have that. Every once in a while they might be behind the seat, but usually you're going to find them in either the center console of the vehicle, which is right here, and you can see down in there. Normally you either find them there, or like this one, they're just sitting on the floor, right? And if you kind of take a look, it's got a full install here, and I'll kind of get where maybe you can see it a little bit better. A full install video of how you do it here, and I'm going to actually show you so you don't have to look at that. All right, so I've got one right here. You can kind of see how it looks behind there, and you know, you've got these little this little what do you want to call it there, that little lever there, and you've got this screw that you can back up and push in. All right, so if you want to know how it works, you can kind of see, you back this up and then you can push this in, and you can see that when you do that, it's pushing this thing out. All right, so that's what's actually locking in to the track. So if you want to look here, so you're going to pop this out. This slides out very easy. It's just a little clip. Then you're going to take this and you're going to slide it into your track. Very easy. It'll pop in. So now what it just did is it slid in and found its first locking point. All right, so if you push this back in, you'll notice you get another locking point. Push it in again, another locking point. So if you just keep it pushed in, you can push it all the way until you find the spot that you want. So once you find the spot that you want to tighten this down. If you don't tighten these down, you can get a little bit of a vibration and you'll hear it. So when you tighten this down, you just start spinning, right? And once you get it there, you'll start hearing clicks, right? So you got that click down there, and you'll notice it's not going anywhere, and it is right where you want it. So that is the way to install the cleats. Southwest right behind us there, but that is the way that you install the cleats on, like I said, Tacoma, Tundra, pretty much anything when it comes to the bed rail system. And I do want to point out too, if you look, you can see the front, you've got this same thing. So if you've already got them installed on the side of the vehicle there, and you're going, oh man, I'm hauling a refrigerator, I need it up front. If you need it up front, you can take it right back off the exact same way I just showed you putting it on there. Turn around and put it up front. You can put all four of them up front. You can put one up front, one on the side. You can put three on one side. However you need them to go, it's actually customizable based off of where you want it to be. So that's how you install them on your new Tundra, new Tacoma, old Tundra, whatever you got. Hopefully I helped you guys out. Steve Welch. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Beeman Toyota, downtown Nashville. We're actually just outside of downtown Nashville. But definitely ask more if you guys come down here looking for a vehicle. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.